What if your website ran its own marketing department? Meet Docfluence. One connection and it writes, designs, posts, replies, and sells for you every single day. Here is the full tour. This is your overview, one dashboard for your entire content engine. Followers, engagement, views, replies, search wins, and posts published, all tracked weekly, all climbing. Up and to the right. 470,000 followers across every platform and climbing fast. 11.5 million views. That is the power of showing up everywhere, every single day. Onboarding is automatic. Paste your website and Docfluence crawls it, learns your topics, detects your logo and brand colors, and builds your voice profile. Minutes later, the whole system speaks your language. Connect everything in one place: Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and more. Plus Google Analytics in one click, so every recommendation runs on your real traffic. The research inbox scans your niche around the clock. Fresh studies, news, and trends match to your industry, and one click turns any result into a full blog draft. And it writes search-optimized blog posts in your voice, with images, internal links, and clean SEO, published straight to WordPress, Wix, or Kajabi. The result? Up to 76 posts a week on autopilot. 163 blogs in the library and growing every single week. The scheduler runs your calendar. Morning posts, afternoon posts, carousels, and videos. Set your times once, toggle any platform on or off, and walk away. Need something out right now? Post Now pushes any blog to every channel instantly with images, hashtags, and platform-perfect formatting. AI videos too, narrated, captioned, animated explainers generated straight from your blogs, and you approve every sample before anything goes live. Dozens of videos a month without ever opening an editor. Now the magic. Docfluence answers your comments in DMs. Every reply is grounded in your own content, in your tone, with keyword triggers you control. That is 636 conversations handled every single week. Want a human in the loop? Reply review queues responses for one-click approval before they post. You stay in charge. The community CRM tracks everyone who engages, nurtures them with friendly follow-ups, and hands you warm leads ready to convert. 2,400 people in your pipeline, nurtured automatically. On your website, a 24/7 chatbot answers visitors using only your knowledge base. Never guessing, never making things up, and it gets its own standalone chat page you can share anywhere. Hundreds of conversations answered even while you sleep. You are always in control. Edit any answer, save it as a template, set link sharing behavior, and the bot learns instantly. Market Intel watches your competitors and your analytics. Weekly intelligence, keyword opportunities, content gaps ranked by real demand, and existing pages worth refreshing. 22 keywords ranking in the top 10, 1,000% search growth. Analytics ties it all together. Traffic, social growth, and search wins, all trending over time, all scoped to your brand. And engagement that just keeps climbing. Site traffic drills into your Google Analytics. Pages, channels, and campaigns with zero setup. 503 search clicks from Google every week, up 8,000%. And nearly 30,000 search impressions a week. Google cannot ignore you. And yes, there is a gorgeous dark mode, plus platform toggles and ready-made disclaimers for medical, legal, or financial content. Your rules applied everywhere. More content, more conversations, more customers, more sales. Docfluence.ai, your content on autopilot. Start your 14-day free trial today.